guys, welcome back to the vlog. Today I'm looking a little extra today because I was feeling it. I was gonna not do all this and actually, you know, clean the garage like I'm supposed to be doing, but I have some great news and I would love to share it with all of you guys. Some very special news that I'm super excited about, but first let's go grab it because it is outside my door. So let's go see what it is. Okay, this is Sam's. This is my package. I'm blocking that so you guys don't see my address, but it's super heavy, so I'm basically gonna put my camera down and then bring it inside. Okay, so for this, I just decided to do it inside my house. It's a lot quieter, but I'm super excited. I have the package right here. It was so heavy. I don't know how the person delivered it, but he's very talented. And I just want to say thank you. But on the other hand, I'm super excited to share with you guys what I have in this very box. Okay, let me try to put it on my lap. Maybe that would be better. Oh. So okay, I got it on one leg. Jesus. Okay, it's definitely some new carbon pieces. I'm just kidding, obviously not, because then it wouldn't be that heavy. So I don't have a knife. I do, I mean, I'm in my house, I do, but I'm gonna use my handy dandy Cornwell screwdriver that I got when I used to work at Pep Boys. So let's open this bad boy up and see what's inside. Because to be honest, I mean, I really don't even know what's inside, so. I'm on the same page as you guys. Let's see. Oh, almost broke my nail. Almost punched myself in the face. Okay. I swear to God, if there's another box inside this box, I'm gonna flip. Cardboard. Love it. What a surprise. It just keeps like hiding. It just keeps going. And it just keeps going. Okay, let's see. It just looks so pretty. Okay. Okay, should I show you? Of course, okay. All right, I guess I'll show you guys. Okay. Oh, look what we got in the mail. Honestly, it was super fast delivery. I didn't expect it to come this fast. It said it was gonna come on the 3rd of June, but it is already here after like only 2 days of them even telling me about it, which is super crazy, and I'm super excited to be installing this new kit on my Evo, guys. Okay. Don't know what this is for. Is it snacks? Yeah, this is the front. Can we take 1 second to go ahead and acknowledge this packaging? Super sleek, super nice. It gives you all the details on their product right there, along with on their actual website. You can go ahead and go online and it will go ahead and give you all the details about their product. Super helpful for those of you that weren't aware of such things with their product. Like me personally, when I went on there, I was like, wow, that's pretty cool. So let's pull these bad boys out. And of course, it is the square setup because Evo 8s and 9s come with OEM Brembos, so they have the square pad. So this is what it looks like. Super sleek. Love it, love it. A lot of life, which is definitely what we like. A little ASMR for you guys. Okay, no, I'm done with that. Oh wait. Okay, yeah, no, I'm done. I'm done. Okay. I believe I'm still waiting on the rear pads. down. Let's do that. So let me just take out one rotor and then show you guys exactly which ones I got. These are definitely for the rear. Okay, that makes sense. I have the part number right here for all my Evo owners that are asking exactly what part it is. This is exactly the one off their website. So these are the ones that I decided to go with R1 Concept. They have the inside, these are for the rear specifically, but these ones are for the parking brake on the inside, which is a shoe and a drum. And I went with the slotted ones because you can't go wrong with slotted. I was gonna get the slotted and drilled, but personally I've only ran slotted on my Evo and it's not super track ready anyway, so I just decided to go with the basic classy slotted rotor, which I'm in love with. And of course you can't miss that vented feature from the inside. Everyone loves a good vented rotor. No one likes a solid rotor. Why? Because then it causes easy warping. So super excited to go ahead and install this kit. Okay, so let me go ahead and go into depth with this. I actually got hit up by R1 Concepts. Huge shout out to Grant over there, which is a part of the influencer program. Basically, what is going to be happening is I'm considered an R1 Concept influencer, in which they go ahead and they provided the whole brake kit for me. So I'm super blessed for this opportunity to go ahead and share with you guys my review, how I feel about these. I was honestly already looking into going with R1 Concepts, so this is a huge bonus, and I can't wait to better the performance of this car to show you guys exactly how I built everything, and it's super exciting to share this with you guys. So they sent me some stickers, of course, to go ahead and represent them. So I will be putting these on the Evo once she is done. And then of course I'm gonna be doing an installation video of how I installed everything. I'm pretty sure what I'm gonna end up doing is taking off my calipers and repainting them, because I really messed up the last time I painted them, and I really want my car to start at least decently looking nice. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that meanwhile I'm there. So I'll show you guys exactly how I did that as well. But they included some little toys for me, and I am so grateful because look at how cute this is. Okay, can we really appreciate this? How freaking adorable this is. Huge shout out to R1 Concepts. This is literally the best keychain I've ever seen, and I'm super excited to put it on my Evo keychain because look at it. It even has the R1 Concepts logo on the brake caliper along with the rotor. Look at that, with the drilled rotor. How detailed. How detailed. So adorable. We have the R1 Concepts lanyard right here with their logo on it. Super sleek. Love it. Can't wait to put this alongside the Evo. I'm so excited, guys. You have no idea. I'm like super blessed, super happy that I was able to get this opportunity, and of course hopefully there's going to be more to come, but basically I'm going to be creating a lot of content with these rotors. I just did the unboxing. I'm going to be doing the installation. I'm going to be doing a test review, all of that good stuff just for you guys specifically. I cannot. Oh my god. And it turns. It freaking turns. It turns! Oh my god. Look at it. Look at it go. Look at it. I'm obsessed. Okay. But on another note, I just wanted to go ahead and share this with you guys because this is another step going forward, along with the garage situation that me and Miguel are building towards, which I'm super excited about. So this is basically like a stepping stone for me and Miguel. We will be having our garage together where we'll be building and fixing, mostly fixing, not a lot of building because you know how it is. But anyways, me and him will mostly be in the garage creating a lot more content for you guys. So I'm super excited, I am super excited to start this journey with you guys and with Miguel. To produce some awesome content for you guys, and it's just gonna be like, you know, that little cute, you know, car couple, Evos right next to each other. It's gonna be gonna be great, guys. And I hope that you guys stick around to watch it. And if you guys don't like Evos or DSMs, then you know, maybe in the future I'll get a better car that maybe you guys like, or maybe I'll end up just having a ton of Evos and then you'll still never like me. So it doesn't matter. You know what? Because I am having my best life right now and I'm living life to the fullest. Not really, actually, because I'm at home with my cat. So yeah, but I have an Evo and a Fiat. I wish the Fiat wasn't in that picture, but you know, it is, whatever. You gotta start somewhere anyway, guys. So, yeah. Like, subscribe. I don't even know what, okay. Well, that's really a wrap for this video. I basically just wanted to share with you guys this amazing news that I just found out, and I didn't just find out. Okay, cut. Okay. So that's basically it. I just wanted to go ahead and share with you guys this amazing news, and I really couldn't hold it in. Like, I was like really trying not to post on Instagram about it because I just wanted the package to get here so I can go ahead and update you guys first. And of course, if you're on my Instagram, you probably already got the hints of it because I probably already threw it out there. But anyways, this is the unboxing. This is the real life thing. It's here, it's happening, and I can't wait to install this kit. Again, thank you R1 Concepts for considering me. It's like, it's just crazy to know that like I'm kind of like an influencer. Like, I never would have thought that I would see the day where I would be behind a camera, like sitting here, like doing my thing. Freaking look at these beautiful brakes that I'm gonna be putting on my car. It's crazy. Life is crazy, but I'm super excited to be on this journey with you guys. So go ahead and like, subscribe, all of that jazz, comment, freaking wave, I don't know, whatever you, all these features that you can do on YouTube, do it. And then I will be installing my kit soon. So keep an eye out for that video. Again, thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you guys so much for your support. I honestly wouldn't be able to be in this situation without you guys. So again, thank you. Bye guys, see you on the next one.